Good morning everyone and welcome back to our channel. It's 4 a.m. and we look like trash because we need some extra sleep.
You are crazy ugly!
Yeah, so?
Yeah, my dad should be here very soon. We're pretty much packed up and yeah.
We are very excited to see what the airports are looking like. My mom's coming along with us, so it's gonna be a fun trip. We're ready to leave this country. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very shortly. I look sick like this.
Innit? I kind of like this trend. We need to get one of these designer ones, you know?
It's pretty busy, to be honest.
It is, and everyone's wearing masks, a bit strange.
5 minutes later.
It is really difficult to breathe in it.
We've been here for 5 minutes, Victoria's already complaining.
In pain.
Well guys, so we had like a 1 hour nap.
Try to.
Some marks
Try to.
on my forehead, the winter. Now it's time to have some food. The thing is we ran out of time in the airport as well because it took some time for us to use the luggage. So we just grabbed a meal deal and we got some chicken salad sandwich and chicken stuffing sandwich. Yeah, that's it. And then some water, of course. That's actually 93 calories per pack, and this is, I think, 100 calories something as well.
Yeah. So usually we try to fast as long as possible.
But because we up since 3 in the morning,
Yeah.
kind of, you get really hungry. So we just enjoy ourselves. That's how we do it.
And there we are. Time to get that thing off my face.
Finally.
My mouth is dry, my nose is dry, it's uncomfortable. I'm just happy to be able to breathe.
2-3 hours in like a squished area with this mask on isn't the best thing, but yeah, we are back here. The restrictions here seems to be a lot lighter, not a lot of people wearing masks and stuff, so that's good in a way. Yeah, just got a recommendation, just to
we got a
kind
letter of
stay
recommendation
at home, but
that we are recommended to isolate ourselves, but it's not mandatory to do so. So
yeah, we're waiting for a taxi now, and then we're on our way to Victoria's.
Auntie. Oh, protein bars.
What are we having?
Coffee time and a protein bar for some protein.
And let's just not show them what's here.
Or here, or here. So we've been sitting for about 4 hours today straight, so we wanted to get some steps in, stay active, especially after eating so much food. We had a big lunch.
Obviously your diet is not always going to be perfect when you're traveling, so
Especially the first day.
Yeah.
So sitting on the plane, I usually always get bloated. So my stomach isn't feeling the best after travel, and I want to, feel better. And going into nature and giving some exercise helps relieve that, bloatiness. Also, second point is that 5 or 10 days of eating anything you want will not get rid of your overall 3 years or 4 years or 2 years of progress. If you make sure you come back and you keep your diet, you'll be perfectly fine. Do you agree with me? Definitely.
even months, man, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't really give any difference.
If you've been on point with everything, with training and diet for like 3, 4, 6 months, and you decide to go for a week or 2 weeks of a holiday, it really doesn't matter. You can let go. You don't have to worry about counting your calories and going gym. You can even have time off gym, it doesn't matter.
We're just gonna enjoy ourselves today, meet my family later on, the rest of my family coming, and maybe have a drink or two, or just eat more food and have an amazing evening. So
What the hell is that thing?
Here she is.
the microphone.
Right, so Victoria's on a deload, so she'll be skipping some of the workouts at the moment. But I gathered myself to do a quick full body session, which is usually the preferable kind of system when you're out and about on holiday. You don't really want to be training 5-6 times a week. So what I'm going to do is just do a quick warm up and show you my routine. Right, so that's it for me. I did about 3 sets of each. I tried to hit each body part at least once. We're gonna go do some swimming later, so the shoulders will get a little bit of a workout as well. But literally guys, that's it. Took me 30-45 minutes and now I can get back to enjoying my holiday. Vika, where are we going?
We are on our way to Kaunas, and I'm going to meet my best friend after like over a year or so. So I'm very excited. We are on a super cool train.
And we've both actually never been to Kaunas, right?
Yes, well I've been, but when I was little, so I don't really remember. But yeah, I'm really excited right now. And we are on a double-decker train, which we never been on before either. And it's super quiet. I think it's an electric train. Didn't know Lithuania has those.
You're moving up in the world, yeah?
It looks like it, yeah. Also yesterday we didn't finish recording, but we had some more food, more drinks,
Yeah.
and we end up eating quite a bit.
But that's expected.
Yeah, that's our way of living in here, you know. Everyone's just keep pushing you food, especially grandma comes like, take more. Are you not drinking or you're not eating anything?
And we're gonna pull up that meme, you know, where there's like a stick man coming out of grandma's thing and then there's a circle. Where are we?
We are in center of Kaunas, and I've never been here before, so it looks pretty sick, man. We're just waiting for my friend, and I'm really hungry right now. I'm craving a pizza or something. What about you, Oscar?
Yes, I want coffee.
Yummy.
It's not closed properly, so be careful.
Damn. love going up the stairs.
What?
What?
It's the first time I've left a freaking food in the restaurant because I gone like this big. This
How good was it?
amazing.
Rated 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
What are you doing here?
Preparing some pastry
For
for birthday.
whose birthday?
Twins' birthday. We come on here every day.
So, it is the end of my journey. I'm gonna have to head back to the UK now.
Enjoying the 2.5 hours flight with the mask on.
Oh no, not that again. I actually completely forgot.
We'll see you very soon. Now please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any questions or you want to
Leave
see
them down
something,
below.
yeah, just down below somewhere there. See you soon.
Hope you're enjoying the foreign lifestyle.